We just set up a new raised bed garden at our home and wanted to just take a moment to talk about these garden bed frames. So these raised garden beds were a great addition to our new garden at our home. These are 6 feet by 3 feet by 2 feet. And one of the things I really like about the higher bed is that you're not having to stoop down. It kind of brings the vegetables or whatever you're growing kind of up to you instead of leaning over and bending down. So I really like the height of these. So assembly was pretty easy with these. They have 6 side panels that all get bolted together with wing nuts and a bolt. There are a lot of them, so you just kind of have to have patience with going through and putting all the bolts in together and tightening it all. One of the things that they did, which was really smart, was put bracing in the middle so that the pressure doesn't push out on the sides because it's a little bit longer. So the braces help to kind of keep the form of the box, and it works quite well. Another nice feature they add on there is they include rubber strips that you can put on the top, which kind of help protect your hands and things like that as you're working around the boxes. I really like the design and the color, so it kind of brings some style to your garden. I like the corrugated sides. They are metal. I really like these garden beds. They're sturdy, they're durable, they're lightweight enough to be able to move around to set in place. And I think that they're well braced. If you want a simple solution to start a garden, these raised beds are a great place to start.